So in this video, we will cover Cloud Code Basics Foundation Module 1.1, and we will talk about the difference between Cloud Code and a regular LLM. What is Cloud Code? How is it different from ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini, right? Or Claude.ai, right? Remember, those are all chatbots. Cloud Code is an agent. It's a true agent. And you could use Cloud Code to actually help you create or build apps and ship them. Okay, so let's watch the video to get the details. Hey, welcome back, folks. Today we will start with the foundation, Cloud Code Basics, and then we'll go over Foundations 1.1. Meet your AI builder, right? So let's just go over exactly. I created some slides so that it just makes it easier to follow along. So let me just go to the slides, right? I'm pretty sure most of us or most of the people must have used or they got started with the AI using ChatGPT, right? So what is Cloud Code? How is it different from ChatGPT, right? So basically, ChatGPT is just a chatbot, right? You have a box, you type, it gives you an answer, right? Even if ChatGPT was like maybe, I guess, the most popular because it came sooner. Then we have Gemini, we have Grok, we have so many others. We actually Anthropic also has Claude.ai as well. So, but what is the difference between all these LLMs, all these chatbots? These are chatbots versus Cloud Code is more of an agent. You can actually use Cloud Code to do agentic work. You can train it to do work for you. You can train it as an agent. You can do a lot of things which you would do manually, and it could save you time. Then you can go beyond and you can actually build apps, build code, ship those apps, right? You can actually build production apps today, right? So here so basically the difference again, a chatbot tells you, here is the code, now go. So even if you were using ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude.ai, you can ask it to code. It will give you the code, but then you need to go and plug that code in and connect it all together, right? Where Cloud Code, it does it. It edits the real files in your real project and shows you the results. So it does everything for you. Okay. Hope that kind of explains that. So going further, it works in a loop. It will read. So this loop is what makes it an agent, not just a chat. It keeps going until the job is actually done. So it first reads, then it acts, and then it verifies. And if the final result is to its satisfaction, great. Otherwise, it will be done. Otherwise, we'll go back to, it will keep iterating, right? So reads, looks at your project, the files, the structure to understand what's really there before touching anything, right? So it's just reading it, right? Then it acts, makes the changes, writes or edits files, runs the commands needed to build it. So then it will actually build your project or whatever agentically you're trying to do, right? And I have a lot of examples to show you all that. And then verifies, checks its own work, runs it, reads the output, and loops back to fix what's off. So this is all magic, actually, And once I show you, you will be like shocked, amazed. And of course, you can start using it for anything to make your life easier. Okay. And you can choose to stay in the loop, right? It's like human in the loop. So how? Basically, you set the goal and approve the moves. Claude does the heavy lifting and shows its work. You are the one steering. Okay. This is a little abstract. Once we actually do it, it will make much more sense. Okay. So that's the introduction to our module 1. Let's go back and let's no, actually that is our sorry, let's go back to our main. So this was just the introduction to Meet Your AI Builder. What is Claude Code? Okay. Next video we will cover how do we set up Claude Code. Okay. Thank you.